Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this easy dreamcatcher hairstyle for long hair. Beginning this hairstyle by taking the bunch of hair from the side. This is for the hollow braid, so the bunch can be pretty big. I take the hair front of the ear to this braid. Then I separate the section of hair in two and start the braid French fishtail braid. Take the small hair piece from side and bring it over to the another side. Small piece from left over to the right and small piece from right over to the left. Then again from left to right and from right to left. From left to right and from right to left. Keep on repeating this braid until the braid reaches to the another side of the head. So basically this braid goes from ear to ear. To get more volume for this braid, you can pancake the edges of the braid. Next, you need to repeat the same to the another side. Take again some hair from front, separate the section in two pieces and start the braid. Bring a small strand from side over to the another side. This braid is just like the first one. If you prefer to create this braid as a Dutch braid, so bringing strands from side under to the another side, it's totally fine because we don't add hair to this braid in here. You can do which one is better for you. Notice also when you braid that the hair on top won't add accidentally into this braid. You can see I'm sliding my hair under the braid while after while. Next, I tie these braids to the hollow braid using the bobby pins. So this braid goes to this side, yet another bobby pin to secure, and the another braid goes on this side. Then I'm continue the braiding. Take a bunch of hair from the middle, separate it in three pieces and braid again. This time I'm creating the 3-strand braid. Yet you don't need any adding, so you can create as a French braid or Dutch braid, depending which way is better for you. I pancake also this braid to get more volume for this hairstyle. Last step before this hairstyle is finished, I create to the both sides small accent braids. Again you need 3 strands and then just braid. Bring strands from side over or under to the middle. This braid I won't pancake, so I just leave them like this. And yet same to the another side. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.